Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. This is the Coco Women's long one-shoulder Hawaiian flower print maxi dress, and I'm wearing the blue multicolor version in a size large. What I love most about this dress is how effortlessly it moves with you. It is so comfortable, stretchy, and flattering. I can picture it perfectly on the deck of a cruise ship, poolside with sandals, worn as a beach cover-up, and then transitioning seamlessly into dinner without needing to change. So yes, it's the perfect companion for your next vacation. The asymmetrical one-shoulder design features a single kind of cape-style sleeve on the right side, giving it a flattering, elegant shape while still feeling relaxed and comfortable. The fabric, again, is soft and stretchy and wrinkle-free, perfect for travel, especially when you want something that looks polished without any effort. There's also a right side slit that falls above the knee, making it easy to walk, sit, and move freely. So I am 5'5", and I feel like this dress in the size large fits true to size. Even with the one shoulder design, this dress layers beautifully. So you could wear it with a jacket, a cardigan, or a shrug because that single sleeve does not get in the way. And it works surprisingly well in cooler evenings, indoor or outdoor settings. This is one of those dresses that feels as good as it looks. Comfortable, flattering, versatile. It's the kind of piece you're gonna pack knowing you're gonna reach for it again and again on your next getaway. So if you're looking for a dress that moves effortlessly from day to night, this one truly delivers. And that is my point of view.